Hey, so I want to run through what you're going to get when you get one of these portable inflators, and then one kind of cool feature about this one that I like over other ones that I have looked at. So this is what you're going to get in the box. You're going to get, of course, the inflator itself, and it's about, there's my hand. It's about, I'd say 5 inches or so tall, and 3 or 4 inches wide, or across or whatever. It's a real compact. I like that. And I like the fact that it's a lot shorter than some of the other ones I've reviewed. So we'll get back to that one in a minute. Inside the box, you're going to get a USB and a USB-C cord. It charges with a USB-C. You're going to get a storage bag, just like that, kind of velvet feel. And you're going to get some nozzles for your various applications. And that is it. Of course, some directions in there. So this is what the unit looks like. It is not powered on, and we'll see. You push and hold the power button, and you should see some indicator lights going across right there, and it is on. And this is set for 34 PSI, and that's what I want to do. There we go. Turn it off. It's automatic. If I want to set it for a little lower number, it may be hard to see, but a little lower number, you tap it down right there, and you should be good to go. So there we go. Very easy to use. There's a little flashlight on top that you activate with this button. And then this is the feature that I like also. So not only do you charge it with a USB, it also is a power bank. So plug in the same cord right there on the out. And if you need to charge a phone, plug it in, and you can see that it is charging right up there. So that is a nice feature that some of the other ones don't have, and so I like that. Now let's go use this on a car, and let's blow up a car tire and see if it will inflate. All right, so here's the typical use. I set my tires here on the truck. When you plug this in, it reads, and it does give you a readout for what your let's see. It does give you a readout for what PSI. So right now it's a little hard to see, but it says 32.5. I've adjusted it to 36, and I'm going to hit the go button, and we'll see how long it takes. And I'll fast forward through this part of the video because it's not exciting to hear an air compressor go back and forth. But we'll see how long it takes, and we'll give you an update once it's all done. All right, so it stopped exactly at my preset, 36 PSI. That's where it is in the top number, matches the bottom number. And I know I fast forwarded through a lot of that, but that took about a minute to 1 minute and 20 seconds to go up 2 PSI on this particular tire. So not bad. You're just sitting here doing nothing anyway. So there you go. A lot of nice features. There's a flashlight on top if you ever need to use that. A lot of nice features, and one last feature that I want to go through right now. All right, so here's the last feature, which I think is the absolute best feature, and that is the ability of this little pump to go away. For it to be stored inside your glove box, you put everything inside the pouch that comes with it, the charging cord, the accessory nozzles, the actual inflator hose thingy, and you button it all up, and you put it in your glove box, and you store it away until you need it next time. So definitely a nice tool, and definitely something that is helpful to have hanging around, especially when you need it. And that bonus part where you can charge other devices with it, so it has that extra functionality. So all in all, it's a very nice inflator.